Yes, good evening. Please turn on your video before we start the class. ठीक है. यहाँ पर आपको next question है, that is question number 5. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are this. ठीक है, आपको circumcenter के coordinates find करने हैं. Now, what is circumcenter of a triangle? What is circumcenter? Circumcenter क्या होता है triangle का? Yeah, do you know? अगर आपका ये triangle है और कोई एक circle है जो कि इसको पूरी तरह से inscribe कर रहा है, ठीक है. अब ये जो ट्राइंगल है और यहाँ पर जो सर्कल है पूरी तरह से इंस्क्राइब, ट्राइंगल आपका पूरी तरह से इंस्क्राइब्ड है इन द सर्कल, देन दिस सर्कल विल बी सेड एज सर्कम सर्कल. सर्कम सर्कल. ओके. और इस सर्कल का जो सेंटर होगा दैट विल बी सेड एज सर्कम सेंटर ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. सर्कम सेंटर ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. ठीक है. अब ये अगर आपको निकालना है तो कैसे निकलता है, अगर आप कंस्ट्रक्शन वे में अगर आप करोगे तो इन दोनों लाइंस के, अभी अगर आपके पास ये एक लाइन है, ये वाला लाइन है, और इस लाइन का अगर आपने परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर निकाला, ठीक है, यूजिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन, ठीक है, सिमिलरली आपको इस लाइन का भी परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर निकालना होगा. ठीक है. तो वो जो दोनों लाइंस हैं वो इस पॉइंट से पास करेंगे, मतलब ये दोनों लाइन जो है परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर अगर आप बनाओगे, दैट इज दिस साइड इज इक्वल्स टू दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड इज इक्वल्स टू दिस साइड. अगर आप ऐसे परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स बनाओगे ट्राइंगल को, तो वो दो लाइन जो जहां पर इंटरसेक्ट करेगी, राइट, वो दो लाइन जहां पर इंटरसेक्ट करेगी, दैट पॉइंट विल बी व्हाट, द सर्कम सेंटर ऑफ दैट ट्राइंगल. उस पॉइंट से अगर आप ट्राइंगल का सर्कल का अगर आप खींचने जाओगे, सो यू विल गेट अ सर्कल. शायद आपने ये चीज क्लास 10th में किया होगा. किया है?
हाँ।
किया है ना? ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट यू नीड इज इन अब यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में क्या है, फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द सर्कम सेंटर ऑफ द ट्राइंगल उस वर्टाइसेस आर गिवन. मतलब अगर आपके पास वर्टाइसेस गिवन है, इफ दिस आर द वर्टाइसेस, अगर आपके पास ये ट्राइंगल है और इनका इसका इन्होंने वर्टाइसेस गिवन है, ठीक है, दैट इज वन इज ए, बी एंड सी. तो ये होगा -2/3, ये है आपका 6, -1, और ये आपका 4, 3. ठीक है. आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द सर्कम सेंटर. हमें पता है कि कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ सर्कम सेंटर निकालने के लिए यहाँ पर परपेंडिकुलर और यहाँ पर परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाना होगा, राइट. व्हाट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. मतलब यहाँ पर भी आपको परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाना होगा और यहाँ पर भी आपको परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाना होगा. अगर इफ आई एक्सटेंड दिस, ठीक है, और आपको यहाँ पर भी परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाना होगा. Okay, only then what we will do, what we will get. Fine. Now हमें पता है कि this and this will be equal and this distance and this distance will be equal. मतलब अगर a b c d, अगर ये आपका d है और ये आपका e है, I can find what is the coordinates of d by using the midpoint formula. बराबर. So coordinates of d will be -2 + 4 by, d का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा, -2 + 4 by 2 कॉमा 3 + 3 by 2. Yes or no? So the coordinates of D will be 4 - 2, 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and this is 3 + 3, 6, 6/2 is 3. So the coordinates of D is how much? 1, 3. ये मिला आपको. Similarly, you can find what is coordinates of E. That will be 6 + 4 divided by 2, and this will be 3 - 1 divided by 2, right? So the coordinates of E will be 10/2, that is 5. 3 - 2 is 2/2 is 1. So this coordinates will be 5, 1. Understood this? इतना clear है? Okay. हमें पता है कि अगर दो लाइन अगर परपेंडिकुलर होगा तो व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन देयर स्लोप्स. इफ टू लाइंस आर परपेंडिकुलर, व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन देयर स्लोप्स, या द, क्या होता है, व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन देयर स्लोप्स इफ द टू लाइंस आर परपेंडिकुलर. ये लास्ट टाइम सिखाया गया था. अगर दो लाइंस अगर आपके परपेंडिकुलर है, इफ टू लाइंस आर परपेंडिकुलर, तो इसका स्लोप अगर समझ लो m1 है और इसका स्लोप अगर m2 है, then what we have is m1 into m2 equals minus 1 if two lines are perpendicular. Okay, so similarly मैं इस लाइन AC का स्लोप निकाल सकता हूँ, स्लोप ऑफ AC. I can find what will be the slope of AC using formula how to find the slope. Now slope of AC will be how much? Slope of AC अगर मुझे निकालना है तो formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 बराबर to find the slopes. तो अगर मैं इसे
Yes.
0.2 और इसे 0.1 पकड़ता हूँ तो 3 minus 3 upon 4 minus of minus 2, 0 upon 4 plus 2 that is 6 and 0 upon 6 is 0. तो मतलब slope of AC is how much? 0. तो स्लोप ऑफ अगर ये AC है और ये आपका ABC, ये आपका PQ है समझ लो, इफ दिस इज P एंड दिस इज Q, सो स्लोप ऑफ PQ विल बी, स्लोप ऑफ PQ क्या होगा? माइनस 1 अपॉन 0,
Yes.
या विच इज इन्फिनिटी, बिकॉज 0 अगर डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया तो इन्फिनिटी, सो दैट मीन्स इट्स अ वर्टिकल लाइन. ठीक है, सो स्लोप ऑफ PQ आपको क्या आ गया? इन्फिनिटी. फाइन. सिमिलरली, तो I know that the slope of this line is 1 upon 0 and the line is passing through 1 comma 3. So equation of line PQ. What is equation of line in one point slope point form? Equation of line in slope point form. What is the formula? That is y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. ये आपका फॉर्मूला है टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इन स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म. अगर आपके पास स्लोप है और एक कोऑर्डिनेट है तो आप इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन निकाल सकते हो. तो y माइनस वाई वन, इस पॉइंट पर y1 क्या है? 3 और x1 क्या है? 1. सो y माइनस थ्री इक्वल्स 1 अपॉन 0 इंटू एक्स माइनस m, मतलब क्या? स्लोप ऑफ दैट लाइन. स्लोप ऑफ लाइन मिला है ना हमें 1 अपॉन 0 एंड x माइनस x1, x1 इज 1. ओके, सो y माइनस थ्री equals 1 upon 0 into x minus 1, ये आपको मिला. If you do the cross multiplication, 0 into this will be 0 equals x minus 1 and then finally what you get is x equals 1 is the equation of the line. बराबर. इस लाइन का इक्वेशन क्या हो गया? इस लाइन का इक्वेशन हो गया x equals 1. बराबर. Similarly we have to find what will be the equation of this line. इस लाइन के लिए आपके पास कोऑर्डिनेट्स पता है. लेट्स फाइंड what is the slope of BC. ठीक है, लेट अस फाइंड what is slope of BC. तो स्लोप ऑफ BC अगर आपको फाइंड करना है, again it will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, yeah, which will give you y2 minus y1 is, you can take 3 minus of minus 1 upon 4 minus 6. So what you get is 3 minus of minus 1 is 3 plus 1, that is 4, and 4 minus 6 is minus 2, yeah. So ये आपको मिलेगा minus 2. तो स्लोप ऑफ BC आपको मिल गया minus 2. तो स्लोप ऑफ BC अगर minus 2 है तो what will be slope of this EP? So slope of EP will be,
Minus 1 upon minus
exactly, slope of EP will be minus 1 upon minus 2 which gives you 1 upon 2. बराबर.
2. Yes.
आपके पास slope of EP मिल गया and I know that the line is passing through 5, 1, so I can find what is the equation of line EP.
Yes.
Yeah, equation of line EP कैसे मिलेगा? Y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, the value of y1 will be 1 equals m. The value of m is 1 by 2. X minus x1, x1 is
5.
5. Okay, so if you take 2 on that side, so 2 into y minus 1 equals x minus 5, and then 2y minus 2 is equals to x minus 5. So minus 2 goes on that side. 2y minus x minus 2 plus 5 equals 0. So minus x plus 2y, 5 minus 2 is 3, equals 0. Okay, So if I take this 3 on that side, so minus x plus 2y equals minus 3. If I multiply with minus throughout, I get x minus 2y equals 3. So this is what the equation of this line, x minus 2y equals 3. बराबर. Now what we need, बराबर समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ सर.
हाँ. और इस लाइन का भी हमें मिला था x equals 1, the equation of this line. तो इन दोनों लाइन का अगर मुझे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकालना है, तो इन दोनों को सॉल्व करो, you'll get the point of intersection. Yes or no? दो लाइन कौन से हैं? एक x equals 1, the another line is x equals 1. अगर इन दोनों को अगर आपको सॉल्व करना है, you will have to solve this equation 1 and equation 2. So इन दोनों को सॉल्व करने के लिए you can put directly x equals 1 in this. So 1 minus 2y equals 3. Then minus 2y equals 3 minus 1, that is 2. So y equals minus 1. तो यहाँ पर इस पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या आ जाएगा? 1 कमा माइनस 1. गॉट इट? बिकॉज ये तो x equals 1 ही है ये पूरा लाइन. So the answer will be 1 comma minus 1. So this is the what the center, that the coordinates of the circumcenter. Okay, क्या मिले आपको?
हम लोग को एक्स का वैल्यू मिल गया था और वाई का नहीं मिला था, इसलिए हम लोग ने उसके अंदर पुट अप करके वाई का
यस यस
वैल्यू
यस
ढूंढा है.
यस. अगर आपको x और y का वैल्यू नहीं भी मिला है, तो आपको दो इक्वेशन भी मिल सकता है. यहाँ पर आपके पास दो इक्वेशन भी हो सकता है, राइट? यहाँ पर आपके पास दो इक्वेशन भी हो सकती है, वो दो इक्वेशन को आपको सॉल्व करना है. आर यू गेटिंग इट? इन दोनों इक्वेशन को
यस
सॉल्व
सर.
करके x और y का वैल्यू मिलेगा, तो भी आपको पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मिलेगा. गॉट इट?
यस.
ओके, चलो. अभी आपको मैं क्वेश्चन देता हूँ, यू ट्राई सॉल्विंग इट. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस, नहीं. या ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 बाय योरसेल्फ.
सर
हाँ बोलो.
हमको इक्वेशन मिल गया क्या?
क्या हुआ?
वी गेटिंग इक्वेशन राइट?
एक मिनट. क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
सर वी गेटिंग इक्वेशन ना?
हाँ, फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन.
I got the equation.
व्हाट इज योर इक्वेशन?
X plus 3y is equals to 3.
परफेक्ट, वेरी गुड. नाउ do you know how to find the distance of a point from the line? You know it or you don't know it?
Sir, I know it actually. Formula है उसका.
बराबर. क्या है फॉर्मूला? चलो मैं आपको फॉर्मूला लिख कर दे देता हूँ. you solve it and tell me what is the answer. Okay, now to find a distance of a point from the line, that distance can be written by ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root of a square plus b square, right? यही है फॉर्मूला. चलो, find the distance and tell me what is the distance in this. पॉइंट आपको गिवन है, लाइन भी आपको गिवन है. इसमें आपका a और b का वैल्यू क्या होगा, बताओ मुझे.
So A will be 12
हम्म.
and B will be 5.
-5.
Yes, minus 5.
Okay, and what will be x1 and y1?
Minus 2 and 3.
Please solve it. It should not take this much time. See over here, I'll solve it for you if you are getting confused.
Sir, what?
What did you get?
Sir, minus 52 upon 13.
Yeah, that's 4. 13 fours are 52.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's -4. Our answer is 4 or -4?
Sir, only 4.
Why only 4? Why not -4? Because it's a distance and distance cannot be negative. Yeah. Okay. Next. Now, find the distance between parallel lines for this. What is the formula? Modulus of c1 minus c2 upon under root of a square plus b square. Yeah, this is the same kind of question. Okay. Find the equation of a line passing through the point of intersections of the line and making intercept 3 on the x-axis. Can you solve this or you want me to solve?
Second method.
Okay, fine. See what they have given. What they are asking, find the equation of a line passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. That means there are two lines like this. Okay. The equation of one of the line is x plus y minus 2 equals 0, and the equation of the another line is 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0. They are saying that find the equation of the line which is passing through the point of intersection of these two lines and which is making intercept 3 on the x-axis. That means you need to find the equation of
No,
this
sir.
line. Yeah,
Can you wait 2 minutes? I'll just close it. That is 2 minutes of disturbance.
what happened?
I'll close the door.
Okay,
1 minute.
okay, fine. So now you need to find what? You need to find the equation of this line which is passing through the intersection point of these two lines. Okay, and this line is making an x-intercept of 3. That means the line is passing through 3 comma 0. Yes or no? Now you need to find what? You need to find the equation of this line. How you will find? Tell me verbally if you have any idea how we can find. कैसे करेंगे बताओ? पहले तो हमारे पास ये दोनों इक्वेशन का इस दोनों लाइन का इक्वेशन है. इन दोनों लाइन का पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आप कैसे निकालोगे? If I want to find what is the coordinate of the point of intersection of these two lines, how you'll find?
Sir, by solving it.
Exactly, by
मतलब
solving.
yes.
राइट. एक इक्वेशन है आपका x प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू और दूसरा इक्वेशन है 2x माइनस 3y इक्वल्स माइनस 4. बराबर. अगर ये आपका
Yes.
इक्वेशन 1 है और ये आपका इक्वेशन 2 है, इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन विद 3,
2.
व्हाट आई गेट?
Okay.
3, because then you will get 3x plus 3y equals 6 और ये आपका as it is 2x minus 3y equals minus 4. So if I add both the equation, ये cancel. 5x is equals to 6 minus 4, that is 2. So x equals 2 by 5. बराबर.
Yes, sir.
बराबर. और x का वैल्यू आप किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में पुट अप करो, that is x plus y equals 2.
Right.
राइट. तो 2 by 5 plus y equals 2. तो y equals 2 minus 2 by 5. So
Yes.
y equals 5 in the LCM. 10 minus 2, that is 8 by 5. So y equals how much? 8 by
8
5.
by 5.
So that means the coordinates of this point is what? 2 by 5 comma
2 by 5. 8 by 5.
8 by 5. बराबर. अब आपको क्या निकालना है? You need to find the equation of this orange line. बराबर. आपको equation of
Yes.
orange line निकालना है anyhow. You need to find equation of this line. We know that this line is passing through this point and this point. What is equation of line in 2 point form? We know that equation of line in 2 point form क्या होता है? What is the equation of line in 2 point form? That is y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2 equals x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. Right? Just a moment. Okay. Now I can take one of the point as x1 y1 and the other point as the x2 y2. Okay. I'll take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So what I have? Y minus 0 upon 0 minus 8 by 5 equals x minus 3 upon 3 minus 2 by 5. Right? You have to solve this and you will get the equation of that orange line. Okay. So y upon minus 8 by 5 equals x minus 3 upon, if I solve this 5 in the LCM, 5 3s are 15 minus 2, that is 13 by 5. This will be y into minus 5 by 8 equals x minus 3 into 5 by 13. Yes or no? This 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So y upon minus 8 minus y by 8 equals x minus 3 upon 13. If I do the cross multiplication, minus 13y is equals to 8 into x minus 3. So minus 13y equals 8x minus 3 8s are 24. So 8x plus 13y equals 24 is the equation of the required line. Okay. So the equation of this
Yes.
line will be, this will be how much? 8x plus 13y equals how much? 24. Got it? Clearly understood?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah? Fine.
Yes.
The next.
तो मतलब इक्वेशन ढूंढने के लिए we need
हाँ.
coordinate.
Yes. उस कोऑर्डिनेट को यूज
Coordinate.
करके आप इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन निकाल सकते हो यूजिंग इक्वेशन
और
ऑफ लाइन.
coordinates ढूंढने के लिए we need equation.
या फाइन. द नेक्स्ट. These are the midpoints of the line. Find equation of sides of triangle. एक काफी लेंदी क्वेश्चन है. Will not be doing the whole. जितना हो सके उतना ही करेंगे. Now what do we know? If you have, now what you have in this, let's say if this is D which is minus 1 comma 8, this is E which is 4 comma minus 2, and this is F which is minus 5 comma minus 3. Fine. And what you need to find are the, oh wait, these are the midpoints. Wait, these are not the vertices. These are what? The midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Okay. So if this is A, B, C, then are the midpoints of BC. D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of CA, and F is the midpoint of AB. What they are saying, the coordinates of D is minus 1 comma 8, the coordinates of E is 4 comma minus 2, and the coordinate of F is minus 5 comma minus 3. Yeah, these are the coordinates. Now what they are asking, find the equations of the sides ABC, of sides of the triangle ABC. Now how you'll find? Can you tell me any idea how we can find the equations of the sides of the triangle?
So
Yeah,
by formula,
by which formula?
so which previous formula we have used.
See, first we need to find the coordinates.
Yes. Okay. One midpoint.
Fine. First we have to find the coordinates of this A, B, and C. Now how we can
Yes.
find
Yes.
that? If I say the coordinates of this is x1 comma y1, the coordinates of this is x2 comma y2, and the coordinates of this is x3 comma y3. Okay, I know that E is the midpoint of, I know that F is the midpoint of AB.
Yes.
So minus 5 comma minus 3 should be equal to, means if I write this, minus 5 is the midpoint of x1 comma x2, x1 and x2, right?
Yes.
So x1 plus x2 upon 2 should be equal to 5. Sorry, minus 5. Yes or no? That is the midpoint, no? And similarly, y1 plus y2 divided by 2 should be equal to minus 3. Are you getting this or not?
Yes. Yes. Good.
Yeah. So what we know,
Yes.
that is x1 plus x2 will be equal to minus 10, and y1 plus y2 will be equal to minus 6. Okay.
This is midpoint का formula भी है.
Yeah, yeah, midpoint formula only. Again, from this two, what I know, x2, you can write this as equation 1, this as equation 2. Okay. First, what we will do, we'll do only the x coordinate. Okay, we'll do only for the x coordinate. Okay, we'll not do it for y coordinate. Okay, let's say this is your first equation. The next is if I do in this 2, what I get, x2 plus x3 divided by 2 should be equal to minus 1.
Yes.
So x2 plus x3 is equals to minus
Minus
2.
2.
This is my second equation.
Yes.
Similarly, x1 plus x3 divided by 2 should be equal to 4.
Yes.
Divided by 2 should be equal to 4. And then x1 plus x3
Plus
should be equal to 8. This is
x2
my
is
equation 3.
8.
Okay. So if I take all these equations together, this is my first, this is my second, and this is the third. Using all this equation, you have to find, see, there are three equations and there are three unknowns. So if you solve them, you'll get all the values. What you have? Three equations and three unknowns. So if you solve them, you'll get the answers. So how to solve them? But we can express uh, each of the equation in terms of one of them. Okay. So what we will do, we'll have to decide one of the coordinate. Let's say we'll express everything in terms of x1 equals. So if I write this in terms of x1, it will be x1 will be equal to 10 minus x2.
Yes.
This will be the, I cannot change anything in this because there is no
No.
x1 in this. And if
So,
I want to express this, it will be x1 equals 8 minus
x1
x3.
yes.
But I can equate this to, since both are x1 equals.
Yes.
So 10 minus x2 will be equal to 8 minus x3.
Yes.
Yeah. So if I take this on this side, x3 minus x2 will be equal to 8 minus 10, that is minus 2.
Yes.
So I can say x2 minus x3 will be equal to 2. Let's say this is your equation 4. Now if you see this, this is equation 4 and this is equation 2. If you solve, we get the value of x2 and x3. See to this equation. If I take this equation and this equation together, if I solve them, I'll get the values of x2 and x3. What I'll do, I'll add them. So this and this gets cancelled. 2x2 will be equal to 2 minus 2, that is 0. And then I get the value of x2 as 0. Once you get the value of x2, you can get the value of x3 also, because from the equation 2, you have this, that is x2 plus x3 is how much? Yeah, what you have, x2 plus x3 is minus 2. So x2 is 0 plus x3 equals minus 2. So what you get? The value of x3 is minus 2. Got it? We can also find what is the value of x1 by using this equation. Yeah, if I put the value of x3 in this, so x2 plus minus 2, no, no, I have found x2, no, not this one. We'll be using another one. Wait,
You want x2, right?
I need to find what is the value of x1, no? So we'll be
Yes.
using this equation. Okay, we'll be using in this the x1 minus 2 equals 8. So the value of x1 is 10. Got it? So we got the
Yes,
value of
sir. Got
x1,
it.
x2 and x3. Okay, so the coordinates I got, x1 is 10, x1 is 10, x2 is how much? x2 is 0 and x3 is minus 2. Okay, in the same way, if I solve for y1, y2 and y3, I'll get the coordinates of y1, y2 and y3 also.
Yes.
Now, once you get those coordinates, then you can find the equation of line AB. Yes or no? Using equation of line in
Yes.
2-point form. Understood how to solve this question?
Yes.
And then you have to find coordinates of the circumcenter as we have done the first sum.
Yes. I
Got
got.
it? Now the next. Now there is a miscellaneous exercise. Just a moment.
I do this. I complete this 10 sum.
What?
I complete this 10
Yeah, yeah,
homework.
you can complete the 10 sum in homework. Yeah. The next. These questions are very easy. Find the next is your miscellaneous exercise. Find the slopes of the line passing through the following points. You can solve this in homework. Yeah, you know it how to find the slopes. Find the slopes of the line, which it's very easy question, easy all this question. Reduce the equation into slope intercept form, hence find its slope. You know how to solve this?
Yes, I don't remember.
Okay, what is equation of line in slope intercept form? The equation, the general equation of a line is ax plus by plus c equals 0. This is what the general equation of line.
Yes.
And yeah, the equation of line in slope intercept form is y equals mx plus c. Yeah, where m is a slope and c is what? What is c in this? C is the y-intercept. M is what? The slope of the line, and C is what? Y-intercept. See, if I convert this in this format, what you had ax plus by plus c equals 0. So if I write by is equals to minus ax minus c, and if I divide throughout with b, so y equals minus a by b x minus c by b. Yes or no? Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. So if you compare this with this, what you get? The value of m is minus a by b, and the value of c is minus c by b. Got it? So if you want to find what is the y-intercept, this is what y-intercept. Okay, the y-intercept, if you want to find, it will be minus c upon b. And if you want to find slope of any line, if you have the general equation, that is minus a upon b. Got it?
okay.
Yeah. So for this question, what we need to do, reduce the equation into the slope intercept form. What is the slope intercept form? Y equals mx plus c. This is what the equation of line in slope intercept form. Fine. So what you have? 6x plus 3y plus 8 equals 0. So 3y equals minus 6x minus 8. Yes or no?
Yes.
So y equals minus 6x by 3 minus 8 by 3. So what you have? Therefore, y equals minus 2x minus 8 by 3. So what you can say, the slope of the line is
So
minus 2, not minus 2x.
minus,
Only mx, no?
but
So only m is the slope.
yes,
And what is
yes,
the
yes.
y-intercept?
Minus 8 upon 3.
Exactly. Got it? Yeah. See, do not miss the classes in between. Otherwise, see, I have explained everything with graph in the last class. If you see the recording, please watch that recording. Yeah, the recording is there. The last class recording, please watch it because I
Okay.
have explained each and everything using graphs also. Okay, please watch it. You will get a in-depth knowledge. Next, verify that is not a point on the line. How you'll verify that this point is not on the line? If I, how you'll verify that? Can you tell me verbally? See how you'll verify. See, whenever a point is on the line, then the point, if the point will satisfy the equation of line. If this 2 comma 7, if this 2 comma 7 is on the line, then this 2 comma 7 should satisfy this equation. If you see it, x plus 2y plus 2 equals 0, no? Right? So if the point 2 comma 7 is on the line, it will satisfy the equation of line. If I put x plus 2y plus 2 equals, the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 7. If I solve this, 4 plus 14, and what you're getting equals 18. which is not equals to 0. It was equals to 0 no over here. It is not satisfying. That means the point is not on the line. If it satisfies, the point is on the line.
So when it will be satisfied.
Yeah,
When it will be satisfied.
I did not understand your question.
So means a bit is not equal to zero, na?
Yeah, it's not required. It should not be equal to 0 or equal to 0. Whatever equation they have given, it should satisfy that equation.
Okay.
Means x plus 2y plus 2 equals 0, they said no. So if you put these
Yes.
values, it should be equal to 0 because they have written it is equals to 0. No, it should satisfy that. If it satisfies,
Okay.
if it satisfies, only then that point is on the line. Otherwise, it is not. Got it?
Okay, sir. Yes.
I'll give you a good explanation on this. Wait. I'll show you with a graph because that type of the graphic explanation I've done in the last class. I'll give it to you also. Wait. Can you see the graph?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I write over here x plus 2y plus 3 equals 0. This is the equation of line. The line
Yes.
has been drawn. Now if I take any point over here, if you take this point, suppose if you take this point, minus 3 comma 0. If you put this minus 3 comma 0 in this equation, see to it whether that it is getting satisfied or not.
Shall do.
Just verbally do it, no? But visually also you can do. If you put minus 3 comma 0 in that equation, what you will get?
It will be is equal to zero.
It will be equal to 0, right? Even if you take any other point, suppose this point, minus 7 comma 2. Try to put this minus 7 comma 2 on that equation.
So means any point on the line will be equal to zero.
Yes, if you take all these coordinates as you see it over here, all are changing, no? Any decimal point if you
Yes.
take and if you put it over there, it will be equal to 0. Means it will satisfy that equation. Even it can be 10 also, right? It can be equals to 10 also, no problem. Now even over here, if you take this point, okay, minus 2 comma 4.5, if you put x and y in that, then it will be equal to 10. Got it? So any
Yes.
point on this line will satisfy the equation of the line. All the points on this line. Got it? Yeah.
Yes.
See over here also, if you see this point, 0 comma 3.5, if you put it over here, 2 into 3.5 will be 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. You're getting it. Even if you put this point, x as 7, y as 0, 7 plus 3 is 10.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So any point on the line will satisfy the equation of the
Yes.
line. Clear now? So I have explained most of the questions like
Yes, sir.
this in the last class. So that's why I'm asking you please watch that video. Okay?
Yes, sir. It is more easier to understand.
Yeah, that's what. So that's why I'm saying that please do watch that video because I have done a very good explanation in the last class. Fine. The next.
So you done with this also in last
Which
class?
one? Which one?
This
The
miscellaneous
no, no, miscellaneous has been not solved. Has not been solved. Just a moment. Now, yeah. Yeah, can you tell for the question number 8? Does the point A lie on the line?
no, sir.
Yeah? No? It lies on the line or it does not lie on the line?
So it does not.
Fine, it does not lie. Because the answer is 6 and over here they are getting they have given 0, right?
Equal to zero. Yes.
That's why the point will not be on the line. Okay? But further to this, we'll be solving in the next class. Okay?
Yes.
We'll be starting from here in the next class. Also, I think we'll be starting the next topic also in the next class.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Chalo then. Bye. Good day.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.